guys, it is $10.99. Um, I'm just posting a video. I got a new camera. It's a GoPro Hero 4, black. So I don't even. I mean, I think this is like a decent image quality. It's a little dark out. Nice little sunset here soon. I'll probably be taking some pictures because this is 4K capable. I'll do a review on this thing. Actually, really cool. Camera. I hope it's not too bad. I've only been testing audio with my car so far. So, what I'm gonna do is I really haven't seen too many exhaust videos on my car. It's not anything special. It's a 2004 Mustang. Actually, now it's nothing fast, nothing fantastic. But it's mine. But fantastic camera work, right? But it's a little dark, so you can't really see much. I'm gonna see what I can do. But what I was gonna do, what I plan on doing, is doing a little exhaust clip. All I have done to it, well, I didn't do to it, but it's got a muffler delete, so it's no muffler. Still has the four cats as far as I'm aware of. I don't think they're gutted. One or two might, I don't know. I haven't really taken them apart and looked into them. But yeah, this is what a straight piped V6 2004 Mustang sounds like. And I will cut to me starting it. It's really cool. I got this little app on my phone. I can stop the video and stuff. But anyway, I'll do a review on this later. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I just want to state real quick, this is not a completely, entirely cold start. It is like probably around 75 degrees outside right now. You probably can't see my face. It's dark for the camera. I'll see if I can adjust it in the settings later. But yeah, I just got done driving here. It shouldn't be too warm. Probably at operating temperature, but a cold start. Well, turning on, turning off, and turning back on, it makes different sounds. So let's see what it does. Thank you guys for watching. I am gonna do the outro right now because I did it and I don't like it. But anyway, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, tell them to me down below in the comments section. I plan on doing some more fun things with cars, whether it's a cruise or just bring in some interesting footage that some people might like for various other cars. I don't want to quite say it yet, in case for some reason something doesn't happen. But hopefully fun stuff ends up coming. But I'm going to try to bring up some more how-tos, like the how to connect the 360 controller to PC. That seems to be my most popular right now. I'll probably do a dummy how to overclock your CPU. I recently did that. Sadly, my CPU is not the best built, so yeah, I'll explain it in that video. But if you guys would like to say anything, like anything, just subscribe, like, comment, the whole nine. Share if you'd like to. Don't if you didn't. Yeah. Alright. Thank you guys for watching.